I've never organized them. It's a whoa. Wow. That's 5 seconds. How long did that take? 20 seconds. This is magic. Look what it's doing, guys. If your desktop looks like an episode of Hoarders and you want to clean it and organize it automatically in less than 3 minutes, let me show you exactly how Claude Code and Claude Cowork can do this for you. Put all the pictures in their own folder, put all the documents in their own folder, put everything that belongs together in its own folder. I need you to organize it, make it neat and tidy, and just remove it off my desktop. It's a whoa. Wow. That's 5 seconds. How long did that take? 20 seconds. This is magic. Look what it's doing, guys. Very interesting. This is the future, I suppose. So here's how we get Claude on our desktop. We go to claude.com/download, and then we choose our platform. It's either a Mac OS or it's Windows, and we download it to our computer. Once we've downloaded Claude for our desktop, we're going to have to do one more thing before we can actually use it. So we're going to go to Chrome. We're going to type in Chrome extension at the top, and then we're going to go down to this one, Extensions Chrome Web Store. On the top, we're going to type in Claude, and here we go. We're going to install this extension. We're going to add to Chrome, add extension, and we're going to make sure that we're logged into Claude before I can actually install the extension. So once we've downloaded the Claude program and we've added the Chrome extension, we're going to go to the Claude program here, and you're going to see 3 boxes towards the top here. There's Chat, there's Cowork, and there's Code. So Chat is basically the same thing as ChatGPT, except it's Claude. And I personally use Claude because it hallucinates a lot less than ChatGPT does. And for those of you who don't know what hallucination means in the context of an AI chat, it basically means when the chat lies to you. Like if you ask it, what's the healthiest food in the world? And it says a McDonald's Big Mac. And just the AI is so much smarter than ChatGPT, in my opinion. So Claude is my go-to for my assistant and for my research. There's the chat window here. Again, you can use it like ChatGPT. There's Cowork, which is what we're going to talk about in this video. And then there's Code. And of course, if you want to design applications and things like this, you can always use this. So the first thing we wanted to do, it's already connected to our computer. We wanted to organize files. We're going to go to Organize Files. And we're going to say something like this. I need you to organize my desktop, put all of the screenshots in a single folder, put all of the photos in a single folder, put everything together. Organize it, make it neat and tidy, and I need you to name each screenshot in accordance to what the screenshot actually is. Perfect. So from here, Claude is going to handle everything. All you need to do is hit run, and it's going to take control of your desktop, and it's going to organize your desktop, organize your downloads folder, whatever you want it to organize on your computer, it's going to do that for you. So this is where the magic happens. We're going to go ahead and click run. And as you can see here, it's literally doing this in real time. It's pulling all of our photos, it's renaming all of the screenshots, it's putting everything in its separate folder, and it's organizing it neat and tidy. Also, you see here that once you click on Organize Files, it's going to give you a bunch of pre-made prompts here. There's tidy up my downloads folder, my photos, desktop screenshots, or duplicate files. So it already knows what the majority of us need help with as far as organizing our files on our computer. So you can enter your own custom prompt in the box here and basically talk to chat like you're talking to a friend. You don't need to know code or any HTML or anything like that. You just talk to it like you're talking to a friend. Or you can hit one of these pre-made prompts here. Cool. So now that you have your folders, your downloads, your desktop all tidied and organized, let's go back and see what else Claude Cowork and Claude Code can do. So we can create a file. What does that mean? It can create a document, a spreadsheet, a presentation. So let's tell it something like this. I need you to create a document about why AI is going to make more millionaires in 2026 and beyond than the internet, Bitcoin, any type of stock ever did. And here's what it created for us. It created us a 16-page document, a report on why exactly AI is going to make more millionaires in 2026 and beyond. We can make grocery lists, and we're shopping for 2 people. Let's do basic staples only. No restrictions. And of course, you can always enter your own custom list here. Create a packing list for my vacation coming up. And every time I go on a vacation, I use Claude so that I don't miss anything. I don't forget to take anything on the plane or in the car. Outdoor adventure, 2 to 3 days, warm, hot. and let's put it in a Word document. Very nice. This ensures that you don't miss anything before you go on vacation. I know I've been there before. We've all been there before. We missed our charger. We missed taking our laptop, our tent, our sleeping bag, whatever the case may be. So the creative files section with Claude, this is for the type of things that you do every day that you normally scribble on a piece of paper. Now, crunch data. We can use this to track monthly expenses to see where our money goes. We can compare prices across different stores. We can calculate how much we're spending on subscriptions. We can figure out maybe gas mileage or add up what we spent on holiday gifts. Crunching numbers section is absolutely perfect for that. Let me show you how it works. So let's say I have a bakery in Macon, Georgia, and I want to find out about my competitors. I want to know their business back and forth so that I can compete with them. I'm thinking about opening up a bakery in the same area. So let's try this. We're going to click on competitors and we're going to click on let's go. Now it's going to ask me a series of questions to learn about my competitor in my specific business. And again, it doesn't have to be bakery. It can be anything that you want. Let's do market positioning and messaging, a written report. I want you to analyze all bakeries in Macon, Georgia. Perfect. So essentially what it's doing, it's diving into all of the websites that it can find, all of the different bakery websites that it finds in Macon, Georgia, all of their reviews and any recent news from your competitors. Check this out, guys. It analyzed all the bakeries in Macon, Georgia, and now it's giving us a competitive landscape. So it analyzed 10 active bakeries, including Mary Virginia Cakes, Tommy's Sweet Affairs, and Dawson's Kitchen. And it gave us all this information about our competitors. The next section is making a prototype. Let's check it out. So what do we want here? We can choose dashboard, we can choose screen designs, something interactive, a calculator, or a tool. Let's go with something interactive. Let's go with a new web app or dashboard. Minimal content, focus on layout. Let's do bold and colorful. Clickable navigation between screens. This one, working forms, animations, and transitions. Perfect. So it's asking us a series of questions here. Let's go with, I'm trying to make an app that finds the latest and the greatest AI tools on the internet and teaches me how to make money with them. The app is going to have a dashboard, settings, user profile, and reports. Cool. Let's hit run. Awesome. So check this out. It created an entire AI tools hub for us. It shows us the latest and the greatest trending AI tools, AI Content Generator Pro, AI Image Studio, there's SEO Optimizer AI, voice clones, video, chatbot, etc. This is a basic working app. I mean, you can always go in, change it, add more features, customize it how you want, but this is perfect for just having it created in 5 minutes. This is absolutely insane. Okay, so what did we learn in this video? We learned that Claude Cowork can work for normal people like you and me, and it can make our lives so much easier. It can replace all of the boring, repetitive tasks that we have on a daily basis and help us get our time back. It can create a file. It can make grocery lists. It can budget spreadsheets, write letters to your landlord, your neighbor. It can do packing lists, family recipes, the everyday stuff you'd normally scribble on paper. Create a file section, and Claude Cowork can do that for you. It can crunch data. It can track monthly expenses, compare store prices, calculate subscription costs, figure out gas mileage, even do your taxes, guys. Add up a holiday spending. And this is for people who aren't Excel wizards like myself, but need to make sense of their numbers. It can make a prototype. And what does that mean? It means that it can sketch furniture arrangements in your living room, for example, plan garden layouts. It can design birthday invitations. It can mock up garage organizations, and it can visualize ideas before committing. It can also organize files. And this is one of the biggest use cases that I love about Claude Cowork. It can sort hundreds and thousands of photos. It can organize tax documents by year. It can create folders with kids or school stuff or family vacation photos. It can arrange recipes into categories. It can clean up your downloads folder, and it can remove digital junk on your computer. It can also prep for meetings. It can get ready for parent-teacher conferences, prepare for customer service calls about bills, organize thoughts before doctor's appointments, jot down contract questions, and so much more. It can also drop the message, guys. It can connect to your email. It can write email to teachers, to parents, to students. If you're a teacher, it can write emails to your coworkers and associates. It can compose professional HR messages, draft neighborhood group text about lost pets, explain tech problems to support clearly. This is so great, guys. I highly encourage you to download Claude Cowork, install it, and start playing around with it, guys. You don't have to be perfect. Just start playing around with it. Day one, 5%. Day 2, you're 20% better. Day 3, day 7, you're 50, 60% better. Before you know it, you'll be saving hours of time every single week. Those hours can be used to spend with your family and go swimming and go fishing and just enjoy life in general. Also, I have a free newsletter. It's called the AI Income Weekly that breaks down in a simple step-by-step fashion the latest and the greatest AI trends for normal people to understand and make sense of. It also teaches you how to make money with AI in a very, very simple way. Scan the QR code on the screen to join or click on the link in the description to join now as well, completely for free. All right, guys, so we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.